Alright everybody, welcome back. Today I just want to do a little short video here, a toolbox tour. Not the cleanest it could be, but just doing a little tour here. Start out with the top here. Got some DeWalt tools, DeWalt 3/8, DeWalt 3/8 ratchet as well. Got all my Phillips screwdrivers over here. Got some paint markers there. On the side I got the DeWalt tape measure. Just got this side tray. Keep some cleaning supplies down on that tray. Here are all my sockets. I got spark plug sockets up here, some more spark plug sockets, thread locker, some adapters and other stuff up here. Got all my flathead screwdrivers over here, air gun. Got all these are 1/2 inch, more 1/2 inch here. Here are the 3/8. Here are the 1/4. I got both the Icon hex bit sets here. Some special spline sockets as well. So over here on the side tray, we got some Allen wrenches here, T-handles. Those Pittsburgh ones are pretty decent. We got the Icon screwdriver set. These are pretty nice screwdrivers. Under here we got the paper towel holder, US General, and some magnetic trays. Got some more cleaning supplies down here. Soapy water, rust converter, and purple power, stuff like that. Turkey baster here, for when you need to use one of those occasionally. On the back here I do have the US General power strip. Let's see. So in the top left drawer I got all my ratchets and extensions and adapters. The Icon G2, one of the Pittsburgh ratchets, another Pittsburgh 1/4 inch. I got the Craftsman 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 1/4 inch in here, 180 tooth. And I got the long Icon 1/2 inch, the G1. That's a pretty nice one as well. In the drawer below it, I got my oil change and wiring stuff in here. So I got zip ties and multimeter, oil filter wrenches. This is a Toyota filter wrench here. Thread locker, dielectric grease, stuff like that. Test light, fuses, wire leads and stuff like that. Spark plug tester back here as well. In the drawer next to it we got the plier rack. I've run out of space on the plier rack. It's full. Got all needle nose, bunch of random stuff. They're pretty good. Some adjustable wrenches in there. In the next drawer down I got the Icon wrench sets. These are the anti-slip ones. Got the standard and metric set. The cheap picks, those do fine. I got some more wrenches and stuff back here. Speed up if I ever need that. In the last drawer here, this is my favorite. We got a bunch of wire brushes, test leads down here, 30-foot test lead Icon, or whatever the brand that is. The Icon extractor set. That's a nice set. Saved me a couple times already. That's worth it. Bunch of hammers, got a 4-pound sledge and some other stuff. Ball joint fork, some pry bars. And this is my favorite thing right here. Snap-on 3/8 tech angle torque wrench. This is my baby right here. I also have some pullers. And a needle scaler. Forgot about that. A couple punches. Down below I got miscellaneous things. Some oil, O-ring set, grease gun, Dremel, fuel line, transmission disconnect set. That's from Harbor Freight as well. Some spray paint down here, steel wool, some other stuff. But eventually I do think I need to get another toolbox, so I got more stuff that I need to organize, especially this drawer. So well, that about wraps it up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.